To protect a file in Excel 365, you navigate to File, Info, Protect Workbook, and then Encrypt with Password. Here you need to enter a secure password and confirm it, and then you need to save the file. And now you see that on the Protection tab, the message was changed. A password is required to open this workbook. And now if you need to open the file, you will be prompted with the password. But encrypting Excel file is just the beginning. With Excel 365 and Microsoft 365, you can protect individual sheets while allowing others to view. You can restrict formatting and editing rights. You can use information rights management to stop printing, copying, or forwarding. You can add digital signatures to verify authenticity. You can also scrub metadata like hidden author names or comments. And beyond Excel, professionals can secure files with encrypted drives, SharePoint access control, or even integrate multilingual workflow and conversation summaries for global collaboration. Did you find this helpful? Give the video a like, subscribe to online training for everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you in my next video.